What is up, everybody? Today's a good day for an icebreaker update because the sign is up, a new burger sign is up, the bars are open, and who knows, we might see 2 train operation. Let's go find out, get some new testing angles and more. Let's go! So there are 2 trains on the track right now actively testing.
And it looks like ice.
We're at the ice bar and we totally nerded out and the ride started testing and we were
Icebreaker
like, oh,
testing. Whoa!
drop your beers!
It was ripping and rocking. We dropped our beers and we went and got footage of it with our specialized ace cards that we just got from Tim Halloran. So
Join the
ace.
Tim's not going to be happy when he sees this.
I don't think so.
Join the coaster crew.
We love him.
So, there was just a couple riders on board. One in the front, one in the back. I asked them how it was. I got 2 thumbs up. Just about closing time now at SeaWorld Orlando. And they are sending 1 train after another, 2 train operations. Barely stacking at all. Once the first train gets into the final brake run, they're sending that 2nd train out of the station and into the transfer track as seen right there and launching it right away. So they are moving them quite quickly. No more riders yet on the trains after seeing it before. But still running trains very, very quickly. That's all. Thanks for watching.
Icebreaker has been testing tonight. We've had a really great time watching it, and Tim Halloran just gave us ACE memberships. Those are not ACE memberships.
Good night.